Are you tired of the endless rat race and feeling trapped due to your finances? Do you ever dream of retiring early but you don't know how? Does investing seem overwhelming and confusing? Do you want to learn how to invest in reoccurring passive income? Does retirement seem so far away? If you answered yes to any of these questions, then this course is for you. This early retirement and passive income investing masterclass is 3 courses in one. It walks you through the process of early retirement, as well as real estate investing and dividend growth investing. So I created this course as a one-stop shop. You will learn the elements of retiring early, you will learn about real estate investing, dividend growth investing, creating assets, and all of these things together are the steps necessary to be able to retire early. We will start by evaluating where you are in your early retirement journey now. We'll look at where you want to be, and then I will show you step by step how to get there. My name is Lauren Matt. I have been helping people with personal finance for over 15 years. I have been working in the finance industry for over 11 years. I have been investing in real estate for over 13 years, and I have bought and sold many properties. And I am obsessed with dividend growth investing because I have watched my portfolio accelerate due to the compounding effects of dividend investing. This course was created for people who want to learn quickly how to take control of their finances, invest to create passive income, and retire early. Thank you so much for your interest in this course. With the 30-day 100% money-back guarantee, you have nothing to lose. If you are tired of the rat race and feeling stressed out all the time, then click the enroll button and take the first step to retiring early. And I'll see you on the inside.